It's never difficult to see images when the principle of the image is embedded in the soul. Marden Hartley. From 1907 to 1917, Alfred Stieglitz forged new ground in American art when his New York gallery became the center of a community of artists and critics pursuing new discoveries. In the ensuing 40 years, Stieglitz became the center of a wheel whose spokes, Marden Hartley, John Marin, Arthur Dove, and Georgia O'Keeffe, had each spun ahead to mark new trails. Each painter, in their own way, had become convinced of the independent merits of color and form, and with the commitment of artists and the intensity of Stieglitz's acerbic eye, American modernism began to take shape. Painting had never been more vital. Alive with the innovation of their time and porous enough to take cues from Asian aesthetics and the European avant-garde, Hartley thatched strokes of color, and his strong, rapturous connection with form echoed the bold and unfettered spontaneity of Marin's watercolors. O'Keeffe's breathless simplicity and intense color distinguished her from her male counterparts, while tying her with Arthur Dove to a new American vision in spare, well-chosen composition and form. Explore their way of seeing and working, and expand your own facility by diving into watercolor with us.